Now let's move on to page number 96. We are going to do the word problem. Word problem means the sum will be given there with the statements. You have to write the statement and write the problem. That's what called word problem. Now I'm going to read out the sum which is given here. Anita spends rupees 96 on 8 pens. To buy 8 pens, how many pens? 8 pens. How much she spent? Anita spends 96 rupees. So we do not know the cost of 1 pen, how much it is. Only we know the cost of 8 pens. We only know the cost of 8 pens. We do not know the cost of 1 pen. We only know the cost of 8 pens. For 8 pens, how much of money she spent? For 8 pens, how much of money she spent? 96 rupees. How much? 96 rupees. Okay. Now we have to find out the cost of 1 pen. Given the cost of how many pens?
1.
Given the cost of how many pens?
1.
Is it?
8 pence.
Yes, the cost of 8 pence amount is given here. The cost of 8 pence money is given here. That is how much for 8 pence? 8 pence, how much of money?
96.
96. Now we have to find the cost of what?
1.
Yes, we have to find the cost of 1 pen. We only know the cost of 8 pence. So to find one amount of 1 pen, we have to, what do you have to do? What do we have to do here now? To find out the rate of 1 pen. Nobody knows? Into, do you multiply? When you multiply, it get more and more and more and more and more. So to get the cost of 1 pen, what we have to do? We have to divide 96 divided by 8. 96 divided by 8. So the word problem this is. First you have to write cost of 8 pence. You only just listen here. It is already there in your book. I am just wanting to show you what is word problem. Now first we have to write cost of 8 pence. Cost of 8 pence equals, what is it? Rupees 96. Now what do we have to do now? What we have to do? We have to find the cost of 1 pen. We have to find the cost of
1 pen.
Okay. So next you will write cost of 1 pen. Now 1 is pen, not pence. Equals rupees 96 divided by, what is, how many pence are there? 8 pence. Now 96 divided by 8 to know the cost of 1 pen. Now in the working column we will do 96 divided by 8. 96 divided by 8. In 9, how many 8s are there in 9? Yes, there is only 1 8. 1 8 is 8. Now we will minus this. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then bring the 6 down. In 16, how many 8s are there in 16? How many 8s are there in 16? Yes, 2 8s are 16. It is completely divided 0. So what is the cost of 1 pen? What is the cost of 1 pen? Yes, the answer. Oh, the answer is equals what? The quotient is what? Rupees. You have to write rupees 12. This is the answer. Now, this is called the word problem. Understood? This is called the word problem. We'll do one more sum. That is, a fruit seller. Fruit seller means a person who is selling fruits are called fruit seller. A fruit seller buys 452 apples. How many apples did he buy? 452. He arranged them. equally in 4 boxes. This 452 apples he arranged into 4 boxes. Arranged into 4 boxes. How many apples does he put in each box? Now to know this, how many apples are there in each box, what should we do? We have to divide 452 by 4. We have to divide 452 by 4. So what is the first statement you write? What is the first statement you write? Total number of apples. I want all of you to answer me. What is the first statement you write? Total number of apples. T-O-T-A-L, total. Total what? Number. Number of. Total number of apples. Yes, total number of apples. A-P-P-L-E-S equals, how many apples are there? How many apples? Yes, 452. Now, this 452, how did he arrange the apples? The number of boxes he took to arrange. Number of boxes, how much? Number of. See, when you write number, you do like this, N-O, and put two number. Number of boxes. How many boxes are there? Number of boxes equals 4. Number of boxes, how many boxes are there? Yes, there are none. Number of boxes are 4. Now, number of apples in one box. Now, we have to find the number of apples in one box. In one box. So what should we do here? What should we do here? What should you do to find out apples in one box? What we have to do? Divide which number? Which number? Yes, 452 divide by 4. Now we are going to do that. 452 divide by 4. Now what do you have to do? 4. How many times 4 will go in? Yes, that is only 1 4 is there in 4. 1 4s are 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. Now the next step to bring this number down. 5. How many 4s are there in 5? 1. Very good. 1 4 is 4. Now 5 minus 4 is 1. Now bring the next number down. 12. How many 4s are there in 12? 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 12 is 0. So what is the quotient? What is the quotient?
30.
Yeah, the quotient equals. Yes, the quotient is equals what? How many apples in one box? 113 apple in one box. 113 apples in 113 apples. Okay. Did you understood all of you? Did you? Okay. So we shall do one more sum. Okay. That is on the next page. Not the same next page. Same page. Exercise 9. Raman puts 90 balls equally in 5 boxes. See, there are how many balls are there? How many balls are there? 90 balls. And how many boxes are there? 5 boxes. 90 balls and 5 boxes. 90 balls and 5 boxes. Now he put all the balls equally into 5 boxes. Now do you know how many balls are there in all these boxes? Yes, sir. You do not know how many. What you will do now? You will have to find. So what is the first statement you write? Total number of balls. Come on, write it here in this blank here. In this blank. Here. I'm going to write it so you follow me. Let me clean this. So this is called the word problem. Writing the statements is called a word problem. So you write down total number of balls. T-O-T-A-L. Total. T-O-T-A-L is total number of. Total number of balls. B-A-L-L-S. Total number of balls. Total number of balls equals 90. What is the total number of balls? 90. Okay. Now, total number of boxes. Now you write total number of boxes. Total is number of boxes. B-O-X-E-S. Boxes equals 5. 90 balls and 5 boxes. Now we have to find out how many balls are there in each box. So write down number. Write only N and O. Number of balls. Number of balls. Right click. Number of balls in each box. Each box equals 90 divided by 5. Number of balls in each box. The third statement is, first one is total number of balls, that is 90, and total number of boxes is 5, and number of balls in each box 90 divided by 5. Now we are going to divide this. 90 divided by 5. 90 divided by 5. 90 divided by 5. How many 5s are there in 9? How many 5s are there in 9? 1 5. Yes. If you say 2, it will become 10. But this less than 10. So how many 5s are there in 9? How many 5s are there in 9? Yes, there is only 1 5 in 9. 1 5 is 5. And when you minus 9, minus 5 is how much? 9 minus 5. After 9? No? I mean after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many? Yes. 5 minus 9 is? 5 minus 9 is how much? 4. Now what is the next step? What do you have to do? What is the next step? What do you have to do? Yes, bring the 0 down. Bring the 0 down. Make it 40. Make it 40. In 40, how many 5s are there in 40? How many 5s are there in 40?
8.
8. Very good. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So how many balls are there in each box? 18. Yes, the quotient is Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. Quotient is equals 18 balls. In each box there are 18 balls. Do it. The remaining how many sums are there? Yes, 2 more sums are there. Please do the 2 sums. Okay.